Green Empowerment presents Maintenance and Disinfection of the Water Storage Tank. Green Empowerment works on strengthening sustainability in water system projects, so it recommends a permanent maintenance of all the different components of the system. Preventive tank maintenance. 1. Clean the surrounding area, removing any contaminant concentration points. 2. Protect the water in the tank from foreign contaminants. Make sure the lids are properly secured. 3. Check that the valves and U-joints are secured and leak-free. 4. Check for leaks or cracks. 5. Check for sediment at the bottom of the tank. Cleaning and disinfection of the tank. This activity should be carried out every 3 months, and the distribution network must be disinfected every 6 months. The following steps are recommended. Schedule the activity in advance, and if necessary, let the users know that the service will be suspended to clean the tank. For this purpose, you will need 3 to 6 people, rubber gloves, chlorine powder, 3 buckets, hand scale, rubber boots, stick for mixing, protective masks, protective goggles, machete, spoon, ladder, broom, brushes. Turn off the tank pump. Close the inlet and outlet valve, open the cleaning valve, and let the tank water level go down. Open the lid and ventilate the tank. Check that the ladder is stable. Unscrew the tank joints for cleaning. Using clean boots, a broom, and clean, thick bristle brushes, take out the sediment at the bottom of the tank. Scrub the walls and floor of the tank with a brush to remove adhered dirt. When cleaning, be careful with the piping and accessories inside the tank. It is very important to wear the right protective equipment: protective masks, rubber boots, protective goggles, rubber gloves. Using chlorine powder, dissolve 4 tablespoons of chlorine into the 20-liter bucket. You can prepare more than 1 bucket of chlorine solution if necessary. Put the solution in a brush. Scrub the walls, floor, ceiling, tank access cap, and tank accessories. To remove the chlorine, use a pressure hose connected to the tank inlet or a bucket used for tank cleaning. Fill the tank. When the water level reaches half the tank, prepare the chlorine solution using the appropriate amount. Mix the chlorine 1 pound at a time in a 20-liter bucket. Carefully add the solution to the tank gradually. Finish filling the water storage tank and let the solution work for 2 hours. If you are not disinfecting the distribution network, after 2 hours, empty the water storage tank through the drain valve. If you are disinfecting the distribution network, after 2 hours, open the tank outlet valve. Simultaneously, open the taps in all houses until water with a strong chlorine odor comes out. Leave the chlorinated water in the distribution network for 4 hours. After 4 hours, turn on the pump to fill the storage tanks and continue with the water service. When you are handling the valves, do it slowly to avoid overpressure. Remember, the inlet, outlet, cleaning, and direct pass valves should be protected against corrosion. Look after the trees, and you will have water.